How to use the snipping tool. The snipping tool is located on the Windows machine. So if you click the window icon down toward the bottom, you type in the letters SN, snipping will pop up. So you want to click snipping tool. Snipping tool, scissors, it kind of copies, and then you get to paste it. So if I wanted to copy from here, wanted this information, whoops, drag it off, you will click the snipping tool that I've just downloaded, and you're going to say new. After I do new, it turns my screen gray. You click your pointer finger in on the left side of your mouse and you drag and you keep that side pushed in. Now if you mess up and you don't like what you did, you just say new and you start it again. So if I really just wanted this information here, I click and I drag. Now whatever's there is ready to be pasted, so I need a place to paste it. I'm going to paste it on my PowerPoint. Let me get a new slide. So I'm going to go up here to insert. I'm going to say new slide. Pick that to content again. I'm going to put it here. I want my picture to go here. To paste it, you can either right click, paste, or I like to use the keyboard command, the CTRL control key, keep it pushed in, and the letter V, and then there's your picture. And that's all it is to the snipping tool.